In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a link shareable on Google Drive. So go to your Google Drive app on your phone, find the folder or file that you're wanting to share and tap on the three dots beside it. Now tap on the share button and you should see towards the bottom there is an option for manage access and you should see a lock. Tap on this. Now you can see that under the general access option here it says restricted, so tap on the change button just below this, then tap on restricted and now tap on anyone with the link. So now whenever we copy the link, which is the icon in the top right corner, and share this link, then it means anyone that has access to this link can access the document that I'm sharing. And that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.